Hello everyone. Today we have one very important guest from Perm State Medical University, Russia with us, Professor Yulia Tretyakova. Come, we'll welcome her. Hello ma'am, welcome to India.
Thank you so much. Hello.
Can you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Hello, I am Yulia Tretyakova. I am the professor of Perm State Medical University, and also I teach Indian students. And also I am a doctor. My specialty are gastroenterology and therapy.
Okay, that's great. So how long have you been in India, and is this your first visit to India?
This is my third visit to India. And I want to say that every time it's a very amazing experience for me. For the first time, it was like I came to another planet. It's very, of course, it's very different country, but at the same time, so amazing country. So many beautiful architecture, so many temples, and very nice nature. Everything is so nice for me. I liked India so much.
That's great. So how was your experience there with Indian students in Perm?
I am very thankful that I got the opportunity to work with Indian students, and it's really very good experience for me because we have classes in English, and it's for the first time it was a bit difficult, but now I improve my English teaching students, and we can discuss all problems with them, all topics. And I want to say that Indian students are very open people, very active, very curious. They ask many questions, and many of them are interested in medicine and our topic. They want to learn.
So as you have said that you are very closely related to students there in university, so do you have any message for students who are already studying there and they are going to graduate from Perm State Medical University in coming years?
Okay. Now I teach mostly 6-year students who will be graduated very soon. So my advice that now they have enough time to prepare for FMG exam, because as I understood, students who already graduated from our university, whom I met in convocation, now they are tired because they preparing so hard for FMG exam. Now current students, 6-year students, they have enough time, maybe not so much, but I think they now from these days they need to focus not only, of course, on our topics, our classes, because our subject is enough important. Polyclinic, our department, our subject is called outpatient care, and our subject will be included into the state exam. But our subject, we teach students mostly clinical things. It's clinical subject. But we notice that already senior students, 5th and 6th year student, maybe have some gaps in basic knowledge, anatomy, histology, biology, biochemistry. So my advice to improve their knowledge in this basic subject, and then it will be easier for them to understand and learn our clinical subject. Let they keep learning, keep studying our subject. And also I want to give advice: when you read our lecture on clinical subject, also open test of FMG exam regarding this topic, and it will be very helpful. I think FMG exam is very important, so students must prepare in advance, already now, not after graduation,
I think that will be very helpful for
Yes,
students
very
who are studying in
helpful.
Perm. This message will be very helpful.
Yes.
Can you inform something about the university and any message to Indian students who want to go to Russia to Perm State Medical University, but they are quite hesitant to go there? And also
Mhm.
their parents are also quite hesitant to send students to Perm University. So any convincing words if you want to say to students?
It's okay. I can understand that maybe future students and mostly parents can
Yeah.
have questions and maybe they have some doubt about our university. I want to mention that our university is one of the oldest and biggest universities in Russia and in the place of Ural, because our Perm region is a part of Ural with mountain, with some part of mountain. Our university provide many important things for study. For studies, we have a few hostels. We have also a separately hostel for girls. It's very important. So that's why many girls study at our university. Not like in other universities, because we have separately the hostel for girls. It's important. Also, we have electronic library. Like the students can visit this place, this library with good internet connection, network. They can study in a quiet place. So hostels provide Indian food also. Yes, I think it's very important. And all studies we provide in English, so students can understand easily. All our lectures are written only in English, and we discuss all topics in English also. So parents and students don't need to be afraid to come to Russia. It's a very beautiful country. Perm also is a old, very quiet city with good places, with Kama River, also with parks, very green. Just they need to take warm clothes. Our university provides celebration of important traditional festivals in India. For example, Navratri. Recently, I took part also with my Indian students, yes, and with my colleagues, other professors. We took part in this celebration, and it was very nice. Students showed us dances. I want to mention that Indian students are very talented. They singing so nice, they dancing so nice. So they showed us dancing performance, singing performance, poems. Sometimes they playing guitar. So it's very nice that students can feel themselves like at home. Diwali celebration also. Indian students also introduced India. They made reports, and we can see every people, any people of Perm city can visit this performance, and Indian students introduced India. They showed very interesting places of India.
That's great.
That's great. So many interesting events provide our university, not only our university, but the government of Perm City too, and Ministry of Health.
So Perm has many things to offer apart from studies to Indian students.
Yes.
That's great. Thank you so much, Professor Yulia. It was lovely having you, and we got to know so many things about Perm State Medical University. We hope to see you soon, and we hope to welcome you again in India.
Thank you so much for giving me a chance to take part in this interview, to introduce our university, to talk about my students whom I like so much. I like to work with Indian students. It's a great experience for me. Thank you for my university that I got a chance to work with Indian students, and thank you so much for your offer to come to India again. I like India so much from my first visit, so I will be happy to visit India again.
Sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.